Hello, in this video, I will show you how to get started with the Kumiki Timber Frame design language and Kigumi viewer. To get started with Kumiki, you'll need to install Visual Studio Code and either UV or Python. Once you've installed Visual Studio Code, open the Extensions menu and search for Kigumi and install the extension. Now you're ready to get started. In VS Code, choose File, Open Folder, and create a new folder for your project. My Amazing Project. Create and open the folder. This folder will become your project workspace where all your Kumiki designs will go. Click the Kigumi icon in the sidebar to open the Kigumi extension. Next, hit the Initialize Project button, which will initialize the folder you created with the required files. You only need to do this step once. If you're running into errors at this step, it may be because you did not install UV or Python or some other issue. You can try installing Python if you installed UV or vice versa. The Initialize Project button will create several required files in your project workspace, as well as an example design to help you get started. Once you've initialized your project, inside of the Kigumi sidebar, you can browse your Kumiki designs, also known as frames, as well as examples, also known as patterns, that ship with Kumiki. Let's open up the example frame that got created for us. This will launch the Kigumi viewer. Here, you can move the camera around, select timbers, look at a list of timbers and joints. If you scroll down, you'll see some other options for the viewer and some other features. Now let's take a look at patterns that ship with Kumiki in the sidebar. Patterns are simple frames that demo just one joint or concept. Here is a simple miter joint, a mortise and tenon joint, and here's a gooseneck splice joint. You can also hit View Source or Duplicate Source buttons to see and modify the source code for the pattern. I'll let you explore on your own here. Kumiki is being actively developed on, so there will be many more patterns and hence joints to come. In my next video, I'll walk you through generating your first design.